You want to do my camera, or are you going to take video? Huh? It'll be all right there. Everybody can get by. Let's go, let's go. Hey! They start here.
Want to go there?
Yeah. We go. Yeah. So guys, this is the what now?
Semana Santa.
Okay, that's what it's called.
Penetensya.
Penetensya.
Yeah.
And they do the crown of thorns. Look at the fish ponds. Hello. Yeah, and the penitensya is when they hit themselves with the this way out. If you look right there, is Mount Orion. Fish pond. This is where they start.
Yeah. They are starting.
Yeah. Which way did they go? That way?
They started and then they will go on there.
So yeah. So they start the blood here and then they take off down the road. Penetensya. There's lots of people here to see it too. Get in front of their camera. And there's lots of them. And they do. Yeah. When they do the cross, not here.
Yeah, they will start here and then go.
The cross?
Yeah.
It's at the end?
Yeah. We will also start here from here.
Yeah. Is he the bad guy? No. So I'm gonna walk down through here. No, yeah, that will be the shorts. This is doing the real video right here. Anyway, guys, so we're gonna walk down through here and see all of them. See them all. Hey, how are you?
Ay, marakita kayo. Na kaya mo ibalik.
There's no.
Right from there.
Yeah, right there.
You don't want to go there?
No, that's just for a minute. You can see them over there. See all the fish ponds. They're starting to burn them.
Yeah.
That one.
They're making it really, right.
Yeah, right.
They're back. They said that they would cut it.
Yeah.
Blade.
They'll cut the back with a blade and they'll bleed. What about the cross, Mama?
Yeah, it's right there.
I didn't see it. Show me.
Not here. On the start. We
Okay.
will see it all, everything later when they start.
You wanna go home or stay here?
We can, we can go home.
I wonder if they'll go by your mom's house. Let's go stay there. But we got the start of it. There's a lot of guys out here. So what they're doing is they're getting their backs really red and all the blood up there. And somebody will come by with a razor blade and cut them. And then they'll take off on their walk. Like Christ said too, you know. So, representation of Jesus' power and blood and cross. Representation of Jesus pulling the cross. Hi. And then you got the guy behind him with the stick. They're giving him weight on him. Yeah, everybody goes through. These guys right here are doing the Penetensya. Hey, how are you? If you can see, their backs are blistered. See, that one's really bad. There's blood everywhere. I don't know if YouTube will monetize this, but I'm going to put it on there anyway. There's lots of them, lots and lots of them. Are you gonna get wet? The harder they hit, the more blood gets splattered. I imagine I'll probably have to bleach the shirt real good. I'm gonna get blood on it. Hello. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. then the traffic. Of course, the traffic. And everybody's following. So we will make our way back up. That's it, guys. That's all I'm going to get this time.